Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete Gmail account permanently. So let's go to Gmail first. Okay, I'm going to Gmail. After go to Gmail, you have to click on this your profile icon, which is top right corner. Then click on manage your account, this one. Then go to the third option, data and privacy. Scroll down and you will find more options like this. More options you can see here, right? Then you will find here delete your Google account. Click on this. Then you have to put your password. After giving your password, you can see here a prompt is suggesting you to download all of your Google data before deleting this account. So if you want to download data, click here. Then scroll down and you can see if you delete your account, your Gmail, YouTube, calendar, all of your Google services will be closed for this account. Okay, so if you are agree, then click on yes, and again click on this and click on delete account. After clicking on this delete account, your account will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can delete Google account permanently. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.